Ahoy, this is Zdenka. This time of the year is always the busiest. The Christmas, my birthday, New Year's, and then I realized that another year has passed here on YouTube. At the end of January, it's gonna be 3 years for me. The first year on YouTube, I was making only one video a week, and that's what I call the learning curve. Now, I've been doing photography for many years, not the video, so I had lots to catch up. And then at the end of 1 year, I started producing 2 videos a week, and that's how it's been until now. No vacation, no break, steady, 2 videos a week. This year, the third one, 2020, has been the most challenging one, but also the most rewarding one. And I think that we can all agree that 2020 was not really the best year at all. I have lost all the weddings I have booked for 2020 slowly, one by one. Everybody was calling to cancel it because of the virus. And I really don't care as much because I'm not really supposed to shoot weddings anymore. The ones who follow me for a while know that I have a certain thing going on with my right eye and I'm not really allowed to work with flashes. So what happened in April 2020? I went all in. And I became full-time on YouTube. Not a huge full-time, but enough to call it a full-time. Looking at all the videos I created this year, there were some of them my favorites, for sure. The Mustang shoot, the auto slalom, the Newcastle shoot, filming my friend Martina, and of course friend Jana and Natalie. There were so many great videos, and also amazing products came along, like the Insta360 1R camera, the 360 camera, which I absolutely love. Also, new cameras here, Sony a7S III, amazing lens from Viltrox, which I really like for the Canon M6 Mark II, and of course gimbals. I cannot forget the gimbals. 3-in-1 Multi Mini P, loving that one. How does it feel and what it truly takes? Well, when your channel is very small, you might already feel all the anxieties and being all nervous to publish the next video for your first 100 subscribers, but that feeling, it's still nothing to compare when you're about to publish a video for a much larger audience. Well, let's look at some numbers. This year, 48,612 new subscribers joined, so the current count is around 75,000. This is quite a lot, considering that I never had a larger channel do a shout out for me. I don't even do advertisement or anything like this. This is strictly organic growth. One-person production, I have no help. This is just me doing all the stuff. This channel got 3.1 million new views this year alone. The way I was learning about my audience, about you, was reading every single comment and responding to every single one. According to YouTube, I have responded this year alone to 21,090 comments. Now that's a lot of hours responding to all those comments. Last month was the first month when I started receiving 300 new comments every single day. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm very happy that the channel is growing, but I completely lost the battle when it comes to responding to every single comment. It's simply physically impossible. It got to the point that I started spending a lot more time on responding to all the comments and spending a lot less time on making a quality content. The videos were rushed and I felt like I'm in a factory. I just need to meet the deadline. I was feeling I'm not putting all me in the videos, and once somebody commented that I should work as an anchor lady, I knew it was becoming less personal. It was really becoming like a factory, meet the deadline for the next video. So I'm put in a position. I'll either respond to every single comment and make a lot less videos, or I'm gonna ease up a little bit on the comments and put all my energy into making high quality content, which I want and you want as well. I'm quite sad about not being able to respond to every single one of you individually, but I really want to let you know that all your comments really does matter to me and I read them all, and you all really matter to me and I love you all. As your audience grow, you will get many different categories of people. I have educational channel. This is where I teach photography and video. I make product reviews and also creative camera challenges. Some people want me to do photography tutorials, then other people want me to do video tutorials. Then I have a group which want me to show them how to film with smartphone. Then I have another group which want everything about DJI OM4 gimbal. Then I have another group which want everything about video editing. And then I also have another group which want me to review all those products. I get requests on daily basis falling at me from all the sides, and it can get pretty overwhelming. This happened because when I started on YouTube, you really do need to niche down to be able to grow and to be found. So I picked Canon M50 and I picked DJI Osmo Mobile gimbal, and I created a whole bunch of videos about that camera and about that gimbal. Then once you see that your channel is growing, you need to start adding more things to it, because once the camera gets old, once the gimbal gets old, nobody's gonna watch the videos anymore and you're gonna go down. Now I'm at the point, this size of the channel, when I need to start making more general, timeless videos, because the audience is so wide and all over the place. I need to start creating videos which most of you can relate to and most of you can find a value in it. This is one of the reasons I recently posted a question under the community tab where I literally asked you to pour your hearts out. And some of you really did. You did pour your hearts out. And I really want to thank you for that. I think that a lot of those comments really helped me to go on that path I need. It's very important for me to read all the comments. Usually when you work alone like this, you're constantly guessing. I cannot really see inside of your heads. So it's very important for me to read all the feedback. How my day typically looks like? Well, first of all, I'm a mom. So I'm a mom, I'm a cook, I'm a cleaning lady, everything mom really has to be. My husband has his own business, which is not that flexible, so he cannot really take over a lot of tasks. So I'm left between 9 a.m. and 3 p.m. to make all these videos. Sometimes I get time in the sunrise. I have to be back before he goes to work, or also in the afternoon when it's sunset times, and so on. Now, as I said before, I work alone. I don't have an editor, I don't have a helper, but I'm at the point counting every single dollar to see if I could actually hire somebody to help, because it's getting quite overwhelming and I don't want to hear from my kids again, "Mom, ever since you became full-time YouTuber, all you do is work, nothing else." To make one video, I have to prepare a script, and sometimes I have to do a lot of research beforehand. Then film the video, which might take a day or a bit more depending how much variety of shots I need. Then there's the editing part, which can take anywhere from 4 to 8 hours, uploading it to YouTube, preparing search engine optimization, keywords and all that. Subtitles, which I have to write sometimes myself, because quite often they don't get created automatically for some reason. Working with companies, handling all emails, affiliate marketings, merchandise, reading contracts and updated agreements, all the legal stuff. Maintaining social media, which are part of all this and more. It's not just press record button to make a video, upload it on YouTube and you're done. Nope, not at all. This is not certainly for everyone to be a full-time YouTuber. You need to learn a lot of skills, you need to know a lot of skills, and you need to be quite well organized. So this holiday season, I'm going to take 1 week off, the first vacation, 1 week off, to recharge my batteries, to spend some quality time with my family, to celebrate my birthday, which I never do, it's in 5 days, and then also prepare what is ahead with this channel to get really ready. Because I want to do a little bit less product reviews, more filming, more tutorials on photography and video, more vlogs to get a little bit more personal, because this is what you want and this would be actually better for me as well. The structure of the channel will change a little bit too, as I will ease a little bit on those product reviews which are literally founding this channel. I have to find different ways to found this channel as well. So official merchandise is coming up very soon, as well as digital products like LUTs and presets. And quite exciting, new membership area. You can see that besides the subscribe button, there's a join button for those who want a lot more. Now, I'm going to close down the Patreon, unfortunately, because that was not efficient at all. What will await in the membership area, the VIP? Once you join, loyalty badge will show up next to your name, so I don't miss any of your comments. Exclusive behind the scenes clips and photos. You'll see what's going on in the office. You'll be the first one to hear about upcoming projects and products. You can help decide on future videos and thumbnails in polls. Get monthly discounts on LUT and Lightroom presets. And lastly, once a month, I'm gonna go live. I'm gonna do Q&A live stream where you can ask me anything about photography, video, gear, YouTube, filmmaking, and business. I'm excited. I know that 2021 will be much better, not only for this channel and me, but for you as well. And I'm talking about what is happening in the world. We need to look at the bright days, bright future. We need to hope in happy end and better times. With that said, I would love to wish everybody beautiful holiday season, all the best to the New Year's 2021. Lot of happiness, love, prosperity, and all that. Tons of health to you and to your loved ones. Cheers to that. And I'll see you shortly after New Year's in a week. Ciao, ahoy.